So we are glazing a 3-pane aluminium bifold with integral blinds. The integral blinds have got just a single slider. You'd want to do that on the opposite side to the handle. So you wouldn't want to put your slider on this side because obviously it'd hit the handle. So that's why it's on the right hand side. Toe nailing this glass. So obviously the door opens like that. So we need to have a packer here, a packer here, a packer here, and a packer here. That way then it'll take the weight to stop it from dropping. We've had to put bridging packers in, so when we slide our packers in, it won't just keep sliding down. So that's what they are. They're just to bridge the gap so the packer doesn't just keep sliding down. Obviously there's a drainage hole there, so we're just going to put, probably won't make any difference. I could even snap it. It won't make any difference in all honesty, but we're going to leave it there. You put the packer on a tilt, so you can just slide it in. This is toughened glass, so it's not as crucial, but what you don't want to do is slide the packer in too far, so it ends up like this, because it will break the glass. That packer will stay the same, the glass will go that way, and that packer will break that glass. It'll crack it. So that's what that's for. Right, Declan. So Declan's got his. So you can't really see, but that packet is still there. It's not too far inwards. Just lift that up. See, what you don't really want to do is, you don't want the packers at the bottom of the glass because that's a weak point. So you always want it slightly. That's nice. You don't want the packer there because that's a weak point in the glass. See how it's further a bit higher away from the corner of the glass. And also there's a bit of packer, so then the glass, when we glaze it and the gasket hits the glass and pushes the glass forwards, it won't, the packer won't hit the back of the glass. There we are again. The light in here is terrible. So usually it's around 5mm all the way around, which is a blue packer. Not always blue, but our supplier uses blue packers. And that way then. Now I'm checking that up there to see if it's high enough, which it is. Check underneath. Is it the same all the way along? Which it is. If anything, you probably want it ever so slightly more. Just wiggle the blinds. Like that. Yeah. All the way up. Up. Other way. Keep wiggling it. These integral blinds as well, they clip on like that, and once they go onto there they can sometimes come off, which that did then. It's not stuck on the magnet, it's trying to slide off, so you got to slide it all the way up. You get to there and then push it. Not like that. You got to push. It's worked now. Now it's on properly. I won't be able to use that. It actually works. and you glaze it. You put the smallest beads on first, which is usually the top and bottom. I let it on. I let it on. So these bifolds, they already come with the gasket already in the beads. You don't have to wedge the gasket in afterwards, which is really good. It's quite a new feature.